Hello everyone, welcome back. So meet Patience, a sister from another mother. Yes, so welcome back to my Nook. If you're new here, please do hit that subscribe button and join my Nook virtual family. My returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. So today I am somewhere far away in Thamesport to actually help Patience do a Christmas decor setup and Christmas tree setup using only Dollar Tree items. Yes, so everything we'll be using today will be from the Dollar Tree, as you can see. The idea is to show you how to create a budget-friendly Christmas decor DIY using Dollar Tree items 2021. So let's do this. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for Christmas decoration this 2021, you're at the right place. So Patience is not just a sister from another mother. She is a fervent subscriber on the channel. And so for me to do this for her is my way to say thank you for her continuing support. And also thank you to you all for your continuing support, guys. Alright, so I will be using these garlands. You see the Christmas garland? Yes, I'll be using these to create some Christmas tree wall, which will be our first project. My apologies if I sound funny, guys. I have been down with the flu for a couple of days now, but I just couldn't pass on not doing a voiceover this time around again. So for the Christmas tree wall or the wall Christmas tree DIY, we will be using foam boards, preferably black, just so when you lay over your Christmas garland, it doesn't show through, because white will easily show through. Okay, so I'm using black duct tape to basically put them together, and then I will go ahead to cut out my tree. Once that is cut, I will be using the garlands on the board with my hot glue. Okay, so I'll be using 20 packs of this, and these go for $1 each if you're in the US or $1.25 each if you're in Canada. I am using hot glue to put this together, but alternatively you could use tacky glue or Gorilla Glue, as you will see me try to do on here. Those are way faster because you just spread them on the sheet or on the foam board and then go ahead to glue your garlands. Alright, but in this case we had our hot glue ready and was the only thing we had, so we're making use of what we had in hand. So this was me trying to use some Gorilla Glue, which also worked just fine, but we didn't have enough, so I decided to stick with our hot glue, which we had more than enough glue sticks to go with. So Patience and I had decided to do a Christmas tree wall, or a wall Christmas tree, because she has 3 kids, okay? And her worry is about the kids knocking over the Christmas tree, which she has been trying to do in the past, and they kept harvesting the Christmas decor ornaments from the tree and eventually knocking the tree over. So we thought to do something that is kid friendly, and this is what we decided to go with. Alternatively, if you have a small space or a small room and you still want to do a Christmas tree without it taking up most of your space, this would be an ideal option. Alright, so you may want to incorporate this for your Christmas decor DIY 2021 for small spaces. And also, hello, it is budget friendly. Also, cardboard sheets will make a good substitute for foam board in this situation if you're not able to get foam boards, just so you know. So, are you still watching? Well then, if you're still watching and you've watched right up to this point, please do comment wall Christmas tree in the comment section and show your girls some love. Thank you all so much for sticking with me. Once I was done with gluing down my garlands onto the foam board, the next step would be for me to put on the lights. I want to put on the lights before the ornaments, okay? So this is just so you're not passing the lights over the ornaments, especially the fact that the ornaments are not flat, okay? So you want to put your lights first, which is what I am currently doing. Once you have your lights set, everything else falls into place. You put your ornaments wherever you like to put them, whatever colors you like to use. That is all your prerogative, okay? So for Patience and I, we're using red and gold, and that is about it. Okay, so we're just going ahead, putting all the ornaments that we got using hot glue. And here is our final look, guys. What do you think? We definitely loved the outcome. Please do let us know in the comment section what your thoughts are about our wall Christmas tree. And also, please, I would love to know, when do you start decorating for Christmas? Yes, that has been the question for many years now. So there is no set time, but I would just like to know when you start your decorations. The overall cost for this was not more than $30. So if you're a budget-friendly person looking to having a lovely Christmas tree that doesn't take up a lot of space and that is budget-friendly, this is the way to go. And now all that's left to do is to put our gifts underneath our tree. Alright, so next thing was for us to set up a budget-friendly Christmas tablescape using all the Dollar Tree items. Alright, so one disclaimer here, the wine glasses I will be using for this and not from the Dollar Tree, but you can definitely get wine glasses, beautiful wine glasses from the Dollar Tree, like I have shown you in my previous tablescape videos. So make sure to check out my tablescape playlist. Link can be found in the description box below. Thank you. Again, this is for all our budget-friendly subscribers looking to cut costs this Christmas and still look bougie on the budget, okay? So this is all Dollar Tree. I'll be using these picks, these Christmas picks, which we also got from the Dollar Tree, to create a centerpiece, like a floral centerpiece, except this will be a Christmas floral centerpiece. My apologies, I couldn't capture the entire floral setup because my phone ran out of juice, but here we are. We were able to capture this, so this is our final table setup with our centerpiece, our candles, everything else. The water glasses you see on there as well are from the Dollar Tree. And Patience also wanted me to use the chocolate touch on this, so that is why you find the Ferrero Rocher on the plates. And this is our simple Dollar Tree Christmas tablescape for you all. Okay, so please do let us know in the comment section what you think about these DIYs. And that is pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching and happy holidays.